Science experiment. Rocks. I wonder if Miss Laura has those stirring rocks.
Just shower.
JJ. James. Come here.
He said, "Ooh, Gatorade."
Science experiment.
Is it gonna go blow up?
No. Right now it's drinkable, actually.
Will I die of food poisoning?
No. It's this.
Oh.
Right now it's drinkable.
I literally said, "Ooh, Gatorade." I didn't even see this.
Want to keep stirring it for me? My hand's getting tired. Hey Preston, want to watch my mini science experiment?
Why are you doing this in the first place?
Huh? Cause
Making
that,
Gatorade.
yeah, that's literally Gatorade. I put 3 tablets in that thing right there, like 3 full tablets. All right, I think it's dissolved. I think it's gone now.
You should drink it, James. It is actually drinkable.
Try it.
Go right now.
Try it.
I love making this.
I know, bro. You should just break it and give back to him when you're done with it.
That's watermelon.
He's giving.
Hey Burgos, turn around. Hi. You're on YouTube.
I'm already on YouTube.
I know you are.
Eye contact. Is it eye contact?
What?
Oh my god.
Send that to Manny. By the way, I managed to get him to 1,000 subs today.
Hey, he can stream it. It's like without having to use something.
No,
Wait, I thought I had the last stream you had to 1,000.
no, it's 50.
Oh, it's 50 now? They used to
Yeah.
be 1,000 back then.
No, it's always been 50.
1,000 is
My issue
money.
here with this one is that, so we're trying to figure out if it's acidic or basic, right?
Yeah. Because it already has citric acid in it.
Well, it's just the colors. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
It's already this color, so even if I add,
I forgot about this one.
even if I add this to it,
Mm-hmm.
since it's not clear, we're gonna have trouble. The indicator's not gonna work.
Hmm.
What you would have to do is do a.
Stand by. Yeah. That's
Can
funny.
you hand me that piece of paper?
Isn't there like a paper thing that like you put in water and it like shows like
What's it called?
what, mineral in it or whatever it's called?
Chemical. Gotcha.
Maybe today sucks.
Will I fall like that? I actually wonder what happens if we were to add a few drugs.
Okay, in a second. I'm just gonna look.
This is going on my YouTube page, so.
Green thing versus pink thing. Who wins?
Universal indicator is 0 food Gatorade.
Gatorade.
I'm assuming all the H plus. What is the citric acid?
There is citric acid in it.
How much is it mostly citric acid?
Sodium. It does not say.
These acids.
Sodium 260 milligrams.
So,
Sugar, alcohol 1 gram. Protein 0. Potassium 70 milligrams. Uh, 10 calories a tablet. So I had 30 calories so far.
okay, so this is essentially what I'm getting at. So, when I was in college, I was given a project where I had to measure and try to. I took a sample of oat milk, and the sample on
Oat milk?
Oat milk. It's
Never
like
heard of them.
just made out of oats instead of dairy. Okay. And I was tasked with. I chose oat milk with my partner, and I was tasked with trying to figure out how much iron is actually in here. And it was milk. So it was like red, or it was white, right? And I had to run experiments to determine how much iron was in it. And what we use something called Beer's Law, which plots on the x-axis and the y-axis. You should be familiar with those, right?
Yeah.
I'm not in any of those pictures, am I, JJ? I'm not in any of those pictures.
No.
Am I? Okay. Are you taking a video? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, is this for your YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just a little specialty video.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep your face out of it as
Thank you, I
best as
appreciate
possible.
that.
Yeah.
So for the x-axis and the y-axis, I was trying to figure out. I can use something called a spectrometer, and I take my sample. This is like my sample, and I shine a light through it. Okay. And the light comes out the outside, and you take it in this container in this machine, and you can figure out the absorption. Okay. And you can measure at different absorptions what is the concentration of that sample. Okay?
Alright.
So that's something I was thinking about. So I was thinking, oh, maybe I could use a spectrometer to try to determine that. But the issue with this is that it's so pink, which means I probably would have to do some sort of dilution series. So I would have to dilute it down with water so it wasn't so pink. Because this wouldn't
So
be
we'll
too bad.
add more water then?
Could add more water. I don't have spectrometers on me right now that I know of. I don't really know where they would be. We could try to plot an absorption versus concentration curve. That was one thought I was thinking about. I'd have to research it more. My second thought I was thinking about is this equation right here. So you can actually determine the pH of a solution by taking the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen. Okay? This is a negative log graph. We actually talked about this in our class, where I can plot pH and H plus. Okay, how much H plus do I have? And as your concentration of H plus increases, you should know this. As H plus increases, is it more of an acid or a base? If I have more H plus.
Acid.
So as I shift this way, I increase the amount of H plus, my pH decreases, which is why pH is 1 through 7, and pH decreases as the amount of H plus. Okay, I was thinking about too, if I know the pH, and this is mostly citric acid, I can figure out how much H plus I have, and then maybe I could use that concentration here on my Beer's Law graph. Okay, now what we're going to do though is we're just going to add some of this. So ideally, we could dilute it down. So just going to
Let's do it.
I'm going to dilute it a little bit. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to rinse this out. And I'm going to pour some of that into there.
How much? Half?
Yeah, sure. Not even, like maybe 100 milliliters. No, it won't work. I don't know if it'll work perfectly because it's already pink. Okay, now I'm going to pour half of that. So I'm making a dilution by 50%, right?
All right.
Because I started with 100, the other one has 100 milliliters, and this one I'm just going to pour in 50. And then I'm going to add up to the 100 milliliter mark, roughly. Okay.
Crazy thing is, this is probably still drinkable.
Oh, for sure.
Whoa.
Okay.
It's an acid, right? So it is actually taking it. And now this one is a little bit more diluted.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do is add a little more. It's still turning red. So I would say that this definitely, we know it's an acid. The indicator is actually okay. And if you look at our pH scale,
It's more at
It's
a battery level.
yeah, and now let's and now actually when I looked up the pH of citric acid,
Mm-hmm.
it
We're
is.
doing a science experiment with these.
No, I'm getting a D. Anyways. Here you go.
Put 'em in his face.
I think it's a
Stop it.